Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the phone down and pulling the SIM tray. You must stop any power flow. Next, heat only the screen edges to about 60 degrees for 2 to 3 minutes so the adhesive softens without warping. Once warm, insert a thin plastic pick shallowly, about 0.5 mm at an outer corner. You are making a controlled gap, not forcing a pry. Move slowly, keep the pick flat, and work one small section at a time so the glass doesn't crack. Now, continue around the perimeter with thin picks while alternating short heat cycles every 30 to 60 seconds to keep adhesive pliable. Once you have a small perimeter gap, attach a suction cup and lift gently as you slide the picks deeper. This pulls the glass away evenly. Once a reachable section is free, stop and disconnect the battery before proceeding. This prevents shorts. Make slow, deliberate passes. Rushing concentrates stress and causes cracks, so keep pressure even and controlled. For the final steps, lift the panel from the top edge while supporting it with your free hand so it can't drop. Once slightly open, identify and remove the display shielding screws, then use a plastic spudger to disconnect the display cables. Do this before fully removing the screen. If you feel resistance or glass binding, stop, reheat the perimeter for 20 to 40 seconds, and work the adhesive again. Don't force it. This troubleshooting move prevents breakage and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.